the world's #1 superfood for hypertension, cholesterol, heart attack and stroke. You are looking for a super healthy food? We have something for you. Dry dates. Their healthy properties will relieve you from many health problems including strokes, hypertension or cholesterol. It is because they are rich in nutrients that will boost your metabolism. Here you will find out why they are healthy and good to be included in our daily menu. 8 health benefits of dates. 1. Loaded in iron. Iron is especially useful for those with anemia, pregnant women or children. It is enough to eat 100 grams dates which have 0.90 milligrams iron. This is 11% of the recommended dose on a daily basis. It is iron that cares about the red blood cells and hemoglobin, providing a better flow of oxygen to the blood. 2. Prevent diarrhea. The potassium is an important mineral that prevents the diarrhea by soothing the intestines and belly flora, triggering more healthy bacteria. 3. Relieve constipation. The soothing properties of dates can relieve constipation and diarrhea. For that reason, put some dates in water for the whole night and in the morning drink their juice in order to speed up good digestion. It would have a mild and laxative effects. 4. Balance body weight. Eat dates on an empty stomach to stop excess fat issue. They will help you balance your weight because they have 0 cholesterol, but the level of sugar is there, so be careful. 5. Regulate cholesterol. Dates regulate the LDL or so-called bad cholesterol by cleaning the blood vessels and preventing any blood clots. 6. Strengthen the heart. Soak the dates in water during the night. In the morning strain them and remove the seeds. You can further blend and eat the seeds. 7. Regulate blood pressure. Those who suffer from hypertension should consume dates a lot because they have 0 sodium and are rich in potassium. Only 5-6 dates have even 80 milligrams magnesium, a mineral that spreads the blood vessels and improve the blood flow. About 370 milligrams of magnesium will lower the blood pressure. 8. Prevent stroke. As we mentioned before, the high level of potassium improves the nervous system and prevents any strokes. So, if your potassium intake is 400 milligrams daily, you do not have any need to worry. A quick note from our founder. Over the past year, my friend Dave at Paleo Hacks has been working on a secret cookbook with world-renowned low cordon bleu chef Peter Servold. Well, today this new incredible paleo cookbook is finally available to be shipped right to your door for free. That's right, as a special launch promotion, we're offering our brand new paleo fat loss cookbook to you for free. Chef Pete lost 60 pounds using these recipes. All you have to do is just cover a small shipping cost. International shipping is a bit more. Get your free copy of Paleo Eats here. Grab this today, because we only ordered a small batch of these cookbooks for this freebie promotion, and they will sell out fast.